We'll be having a nostril piercing today. Harry, I'm just going to get you to read through our forms, have a little look at all of those points on there. If you're happy with all of that, just sign down the bottom while I set up my tray. Everything here is in.
Have you already filled in Harry's client card, like, you know, his name, address, his phone number, that he doesn't have AIDS, he hasn't had any alcohol today? You've been right through all of that form with him first?
Yes.
Okay, you did that out at reception before?
Reception would usually do
yes.
that, yes.
Okay, good girl.
Okay, right. Now, we've got a head cap here on Harry to keep his hair out of the area that we're going to be piercing, a dental chain as well. Radio. I'll get Harry, get you just to blow your nose there, Harry. Great. That's in the bin. Just going to give this nostril and outside of the nose a clean here. And pop some betadine solution on this.
And you're using the opposite end of the,
yes, the
cotton
Q-tip
tip on the inside, so that one end's for the outside, the other end's for the inside.
That's correct. I'll just mark this up here, Harry. Are you happy with that positioning there? You see the little dot there?
No. Are you sure he wants it there?
Does he not want it there? Does he want it up a bit higher?
No, he wants it in his crease. He wants it about there.
Oh, he wants it all the way up there?
Yeah.
Okay. It's going to be nice and tricky.
And the reason that you would recommend that is because up here, what's going to happen is the pole or the post on the inside of the jewels will constantly poke on that little piece of bone or cartilage inside his nose. To be not the most pleasant place to have it.
Okay.
So you've got yours a bit high, but you've got a ring in. Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's pop this up a little bit higher then, shall we? I'm just going to hold him steady because he's a bit jittery.
90 degrees and tap. Yay!
No, it is a tiny little dot. Can you see that there? I might need to come around.
Yes, that's good.
Great. Okay, so now that we've got that on,
hands.
I'm going to take a photo of that for you.
Yep. And the reason you're taking a photo?
Is so that later on Harry can't say that I've put it in the wrong position and that he wasn't happy with it. So
but did you show him?
Have a look.
Did we show him before?
Oh, you should have showed him before.
Yeah, it's before the photo.
Have a look at that. You happy with that? Okay, great. Take another photo. There we go. And I'll just get you to sign the form saying that you're happy with that positioning. And while you're doing that, I'll just wash my hands. Wash. Okay, I'm just going to pop my gloves on. So have you had a busy day, Harry? My gloves don't want to come on.
He's very quiet, our Harry.
It's very quiet. He doesn't speak much at all.
Okay, while she's getting ready, I'll just take you over and show you the tray. Here's the tray all set up, and her sharps container is there. Her ice sitting there. This is water and this is betadine. She doesn't have any betadine for this practice session. Her calipers in case she needs them. Her jewellery's ready, and it's all of this was in autoclave bags. I don't know where her needle is. So she didn't check her setup. See how you have everything on a setup list. So the student hasn't checked her setup list to make sure that she has everything ready.
I know why I didn't.
And because I was talking to her.
Yeah. It's a 16 gauge needle for it. I've done that. I'm just going to remove these, Harry. As you can see, these have all been sterilised. They're in their bags. Take them out of their autoclave bags. discard those. I do have a bin there with the foot pedal on it. Okay. I'm just going to show you that this is sterilised as well. This is your needle, the needle for your piercing.
And you're showing that it's in a sterile bag.
It's in a sterile bag that it's just come out of. This is its cap here. I'm just going to check that for any burrs.
So what you do is you push the catheter up past the needle very, very gently and make sure there's no burrs.
Which there is.
In the end. There is there?
Yep.
Can we try and show them on camera where the burr is, do you think?
See here.
No.
Can you see it?
No.
No.
But there is a burr in that needle, so we wouldn't be able to use that. In this case, because it's Harry, we're going to use it. But if the needle has a burr in the catheter, you do have to throw it away. And later on, I'll try and capture that piece off the end and try and get a close-up photo of that.
Do you want to try and...
Try now, you think? No, it's not letting me.
No, it works better on a dark background.
Yeah. Hang on, put my hand behind it, see if we can. No, can't see the burr. Oh, yep.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
And they're only tiny little bumps, but if you try and pierce with that, the catheter needle will all concertina up and not go through. So that's why you have to push that catheter up above the needle and then very carefully push it back down onto the needle, but only once you've put your gloves on, of course.
Okay, now I'm just removing my jewellery from the betadine solution, giving it a rinse in water and letting it air dry there on the paper towel, ready to go in after the piercings happen. Right, now Harry, I'm just going to recline you on the bed there. So I'm going to have to turn him around a bit so that I can get to his nose. Okay, can I get you to sit on your hands too, please, Harry? Just to get them out of the way. And I'm just going to pop this clamp inside your nose, which isn't an easy task for you, but sorry, mate, I'll get it in there. Okay, making sure the dot is in the centre of the forceps. And
change hands and hold
change
firm.
Hands, do not clamp. And we're just going to trim
longer, it's the nose, up here.
Okay, now the trick with Harry is trying to get this, the bottom of this cannula out.
So you're pinching either side of the cannula while you take the forceps off.
The problem is that we can't get them out.
Pull the forceps bottom, and the cannula should come out too.
No, it doesn't.
It pulled too quickly or too sharply.
And so then we insert the jewellery. Now we're using a tricky one today. Trying to push that through. See, they are tricky, aren't they, these bastards?
I might need to show you that one off camera. Do you want to use the other one?
Well, I got it in there, but we have lost the cannula. Sorry, Harry. Normal noses are very different. And I had to let go. Yeah, do you want to show me that? Oh gosh, they look nice though.